Hey Secondary 1 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So, we're back to the great topic of algebra. So, let's look at the question yesterday. It was pretty simple if I remember correctly. The question was this. Simplify this, and the answers are, for part A, the answer is, let me take a look, 4p over 3r. Okay, 4p over 3r. And B, the answer is 8 over 15. If you got it right, give yourself a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. So how do we do this question? I'm going to just copy down everything. Just from here, we go down here, okay? So you will get 3pq. Oh, why is my so slow? 3pq divided by 8r squared times 32 PR, wow, what's happening here? PR cubed divided by Q squared. Now you must change the divide into what? Into times to make it very easy for you. And when you times, you just put it over the other side, the other way. Why? Well, I'll explain to you in a while. I think you know why, but just quickly do. Now all we have to do is just cancel, start cancelling. Okay, so Q squared, we cancel. So we get Q is gone here. We get Q gone here. P, we must cancel. We can cut across, so it's here. R squared, we must cancel. So we have another R here. Where else? 8, we cancel. We get 1, we get 4 here. Where else? R squared, you cancel R here. You get R left here. And lastly, you cancel this, you get 3, and you get nothing here, 1. So altogether, after you do everything, you get 4p divided by, what's happening to my pen? Divided by 3r, and that is the answer. Now, let me ask you a question. Why is it when we change a divide into a multiply, we must put it one over the other? Why? Why must we reverse the order? So let me give you an example of, let's say, let's see, is 6 divided by 3 the same as, let's say, 6 times 1/3? The answer is yes. Here you get 2, here you also get 2. But how do we explain this? How do we relate to the previous example? When you say something divide by 3, what you're actually doing is you're putting it below the number, right? So you put it across, a line across, and you put 6 over 3, which is the same as putting, say, 6 times 1 over 3. So, I'm just going to give you another example. Let me give me a quick one here. Okay, so that means, in this case, where there is, let's say, there is an x and a y, okay? And you divide it by, let's say, z, for example. Z divided by x over y, okay? What you're actually doing is you are actually multiplying, for example. So imagine this is 1 over 3, and this is 6, just now. So this is 6, this is 1 over 3. What you're doing is you're actually saying 6 divided by, this is 6 times 3. Correct, no? It's the same, because it's actually, you just simply have to put one over the other. Because if you take out the 1 here, right? Take out the 1 here, it becomes 1 over y, right? So 6 divided by 1 over y is the same as saying 6 times y. Why? Because 6 divided by 1 over y. You divide and you divide again, you get a times. So you get times y. Okay, I hope you got this explanation. I don't know whether you got it. Okay, I think I got a little confused after a while here. But basically, the rule is whenever you want to change something from a divide to a times, you just turn it over. Okay, very easy. Okay, with that in mind, let's move to the next question for the day. The question for the day is this. Solve 4x over 3 minus 1 equals to 5x over 9 plus 1 over 6. Now, I hope I didn't confuse you. I probably did. But just remember, whenever you change the divide to a time, you just have to reverse the order of the numbers, okay? I'll prove it to you in class sometime, okay? So now, remember the quote of the week is line by line, the answer is mine. Do it line by line. Don't skip step. Do it line by line, and the answer will be yours. So that this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.